have a small bathroom and you need extra storage in there, I have the perfect product for you. And a quick disclaimer here, I received this product free to review. Buttons here. The wood does not touch the floor, but the plastic buttons are. At this point, you have to decide which side you want your shelves to be, on the left or on the right. Isn't that a great solution to a small powder room? I did this shelving unit all by myself with that little tool that was included in the kit, and I built it. And look at this, now I can have a space for my essentials, for my guests as well. They can reach the towels, the toilet paper. What a great solution to a small space.